Dude, I used to hate small talk. Like, full-on panic mode, sweaty palms, blank mind, praying the other person would just carry the conversation. Sound familiar? Yeah, I've been there. But here's the thing. Running out of things to say isn't some personality flaw. It's just a skill you haven't learned yet. And I figured it out the hard way. You ever notice how some people just flow in conversation? They're not geniuses. They're not rehearsing lines. They're just present. Meanwhile, you're stuck in your head, overthinking every word, and suddenly, awkward silence. Brutal. But here's what I realized. The difference isn't charm. It's not even confidence. It's strategy. And once you know how it works, you'll never blank out again. 1. Stop trying to be interesting. Be interested. This was a game changer for me. Instead of stressing about what to say next, I just got curious. Wait, you're into rock climbing? That's wild. What's the scariest moment you've had? You work in marketing? Man, how do you even deal with clients who don't know what they want? People love talking about themselves. Your job? Just give them the nudge. 2. Steal conversation starters like a thief. I used to think I had to come up with original topics. Nope. Real talk? Most conversations are just recycled stuff with your own spin. Environment? This coffee shop's playlist is all 2000s emo. Did we time travel to my middle school years? Pop culture. You see that new show? I'm 3 episodes in and still don't know if I love it or hate it. No pressure to be deep. Just react. 3. Embrace the pause, seriously. Here's a secret. Silence isn't awkward unless you make it awkward. I used to rush to fill every gap, but now I let it breathe. Them. Yeah, I just moved here. Me. Pause, sip, drink. So what's the biggest surprise about this city so far? That tiny beat makes you seem calm, not desperate. Look, I'm not saying you'll turn into some smooth-talking podcast host overnight, but you will stop dreading conversations. And that's the goal, just being able to talk without overthinking it. So next time you're stuck, remember, get curious, steal topics, and own the pause. And hey, if this helped, hit like, drop a comment, and let me know what your biggest conversation struggle is. Catch you in the next one.